White Coke on the beat. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. My name is KVG, and in the studio tonight we have, I don't know if I should say a youth at a Chi-Town, because we always celebrate Zim dancehall stars and we call them youths, but I think he's been in the game for years now, and I think he's an elder. I think that's the best way to put it. We have Ricky Fire from the Fire family. Welcome.
Yeah, man, me there. Give thanks, blessings.
Should we say, I'm checking out the gear and I'm like, hey, Chaka, red for danger. What?
I'm the smartest Rasta in town.
Oh, good. And he says, I'm the smartest Rasta in town. No, we love your look. And you can also link up with us and tell us what you think about his look. It's just black and red. I also see that nice chain with a guitar on it. Very nice. That's Ricky Fire for your guest for today. My years, because I've always wondered.
My years is not ever good to wise people. Kana kuti vanhu veuchenjeri. From the tribe of King Solomon.
From the tribe of King Solomon. And the name Ricky Fire, how did that come about?
Ndinobatidza moto saka ndokuruva kwanorerekerawo Ricky Fire, because I'm the fireman. Moto unopisa. But it's not physical fire. Don't get vexed. Okay. It's a lyrical fire, wordical fire, and spiritual fire.
It's a lyrical fire, wordical fire, and spiritual fire.
Yeah, man.
My, oh my. Okay, I'm loving this. Now, I was just saying earlier that you've been in the game for years now, more than 10 years in the game. Tell me, how's that been?
You know, in life there will be stumbling blocks, there will be obstacles and turmoils, but you know, no matter how much the mountain is stiff, you have to continue climbing and reach to the highest level. Understand? Never lose hope, never lose focus, and never lose faith. Understand? Saka takangoramba tichishingirira kusvika utasvika pa level rinani. But tichiri kukwira tisatasvika patoda kusvika chaipo.
So you keep pushing, you keep climbing until you get to the top. Nice, well done and well said there. Now let's talk about the new crop of artists that we are getting in the Zim dancehall industry. What do you think about vechidiki vatrukona?
Vechidiki ndine advice yandoda kuvapa kuti musaganze too much. Kana ukaona waita hit song yafarirwa nevanhu, chirega kuda kumhanya kuganza kana kuzviita ndakapenga stereki. No, humble yourself, ramba uchirova maworks, ramba uchipusha kusvikira wane mapila akakwana.